Well, my friend, welcome on my YouTube channel. My name is VIEL and I'm happy to explain for you today technique of aerial mill or aerial to windmill. And we're gonna consider few variations of that move from fire move. Hope you're ready. We start.
You're my beautiful shining rose, so baby, all we together just began, so wondering where it's okay. I like how it goes, and I just gave it my word once it. This is from my heart, there is it. So first of all, I want to consider the difference between butterfly windmill and aerial windmill. So in butterfly windmill, we're doing butterfly straight to windmill. It's not aerial. So we're doing like more horizontal momentum instead of flipping. Yeah, and it looks like this. So we're doing like horizontal butterfly. And we're pulling our hands straight to the floor, yeah? Like this. So, in aerial, we're doing like more aerial front swing, yeah? Directly into our hands. Let me show you once again butterfly. As you can see, it's like flat momentum, flat horizontal. So, let's go for aerial mill. And for me, this movement more like aerial front swing to windmill. Yeah. So my prep for that is aerial windmill. So aerial windmill. Sorry, aerial front swing. So after aerial, I try to pull my hands right to the floor, yeah? I let aerial front swing, and I pull my hands right to the floor, yeah? Like that, yeah?
On that exercise, you should be very careful to not harm yourself, not kick the floor by your face. So like, be very careful. And the next exercise is like going to windmill from twisting momentum. It's gonna be like this. So as you can see, I'm trying to do twist in the air, and after that, I'm going to windmill, yeah? I'm doing twisting momentum, right into windmill. Yeah, and just for clarifying, this is like a regular b-boy setup for windmill. It's not a coin drop and tripping. I'm using both hands. It's very important because, like, if you want to make it soft, you should use your both hands. Okay, once again.
So after you start the momentum on aerial front swing, it's very important right away to pull your hands, both hands, to the floor. You're trying to reach the floor as soon as possible.
And now, after all that preparations, we're ready to do aerial mill. Let's try.
Guys, on post-editing I just figured out what my sound from microphone was sucked. So let me explain the new part of that video, the second part. So that was aerial mill, and there is a few variations of that movement, like aerial coin drop or aerial bomb, like I called it aerial bomb or aerial heavy drop. You can see how Mr. Taka doing that crazy move. I did my own variation of that move, a little bit savier and smoother if you're gonna do it on a hard concrete, and maybe if you're b-boy it will be very useful for you. So check this out. So in that part I explaining the technique, what the landing after aerial coin drop is similar like landing after the flare spin, or when you do b-boy coin drop, like high coin drop, when you put your first hand on the floor to make your landing more softer.
Well, my friend, that was tutorial for aerial coin drop and aerial windmill. Hope you like it. Please remember, stay safe, be consciousness, be focused on that exercise and that movement. It's very dangerous movement. So please use your hands to make your landing softer and be very, 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 very careful, you know? I wish you best. Wish you good luck in that movement, and please without injuries. Okay? That was VIEL. See you soon, my friend. Us.